In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link or add a bank account in PayPal with a quick and easy tutorial. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to connect your banking details to your PayPal account efficiently, making it easier to manage funds online. To start, navigate to the PayPal website by typing paypl.com in your web browser. Once the page loads, look toward the top right corner and click the login button. Enter your email address and password associated with your PayPal account carefully to avoid any login issues. After verifying your details, click Login to access your account. Once logged in, you'll be on your PayPal homepage. If you have a business account, head to the Pay and Get Paid section. Personal account users can skip this step. Next, access your wallet, conveniently located in the top menu. Click on it to manage all your linked payment methods, including bank accounts and cards. In the Wallet section, find the Banks and Cards option and click on it. This page allows you to manage existing links and add new ones. Look for the option labeled Link a Bank Account and click on it. You'll then need to fill in your bank account details. Start by entering the name of your bank. Make sure it matches what your bank has on file to avoid issues. Next, input your bank code, which uniquely identifies your bank, followed by your bank account number. Double check these numbers carefully, as mistakes may prevent proper linking. With all your banking information entered, click Link Your Bank. Depending on your bank, you may see additional prompts such as verifying your account via a code sent to your phone or email. These steps are security measures to protect your account, so follow them as instructed. Once all prompts and confirmations are completed, your bank account will be successfully linked to PayPal. This integration allows you to send and receive funds more easily, giving you greater flexibility in managing your money online. Enjoy your enhanced PayPal experience. I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and happy linking.